this video, we'd like to present you another super special GTR 34. And as you guys can see, this is Midnight Purple 3 Nissan Skyline GTR 34 VSPEC, one of the only 132 units ever made. Guys, we are just about to ship out this beautiful GTR 34 to our friends at Harlow Jap Autos United Kingdom. And today we have not just one, but several other GTR 34s being shipped to the United States of America as well at our portside yard at Nagoya Port. Using this opportunity, we thought, why not record 15-minute, real quick video for all of you to give a quick shout out for those cars, right? After all, this is a super special car. We have spent about a year getting this one ready, prepared for shipment, and right now this is gonna be the last farewell video for this particular car as we take it to the port and together with you in this video load her up inside a 20-foot container. As we look through the car, it looks immaculate. Ladies and gents, this one is a very special car. You'll get to know why she is a very special car. And just recently we have the car complete restoration done at Garage Yoshida as well. As you guys understand, with Yoshida-san, we've been working in lots of collaborative projects, and we had the pleasure of working on this particular one as well. Let's go look through the car real quick as we discuss a little bit more in details of the work we've done as well. Looking at the car, first things first, she comes with complete NISMO aero, which makes the car look aggressive. And those aero, of course, includes R-TUNE bonnet, Z-TUNE bumper, Z-TUNE fenders, NISMO side, rear, and of course NISMO rear fender covers. And together with that, guys, this one comes with a very special eye lips, as you can see, and very rare winkers, both on the NISMO fenders, so as the bumper. Looks absolutely immaculate. This car, of course, comes with the NISMO intercooler as well, as you guys can see that. This one is pretty old style. That means this intercooler has been installed on that car pretty long time ago. And of course, just like many other cars, this car also comes to complete the era with the NISMO LMGT4s with the Michelin Pilot Sports tires, which is the best. And of course, R35 brakes, Brembo brakes, and so many other complementary NISMO aero parts she comes with. Looks absolutely immaculate. At Garage Yoshida, the car was completely stripped off, had the underbody restoration done, and of course, together with exterior restoration, interior restoration, carpet restoration. And when Yoshida-san does that, usually all those rubbers, plastics at the rear glass, wipers, wiper arms, and those, as you guys can see, that how smooth the glass molds are, has been completely redone at Garage Yoshida, including the cowtop cover, so as the front wipers and arms. It looks immaculate. And that is, ladies and gents, is just a start. And come, let me show you something really special we've been doing with Garage Yoshida when it comes to restoration of the cars. And take a look at this carpet. Of course, interior of the car comes with NISMO cluster and bunch of other parts, but I want you to pay attention in this video for the floor mat of the car. Guys, as you understand, NISMO does not, Nissan never sold this, but we've been kickstarting this very special project where we can get the floor mats redone just like a brand new one. And once you do the floor mat restoration done, the car smells very fresh and absolutely amazing as well. So as it's been done with this particular GTR 34. And that is just the start, because this GTR 34 comes with something that makes the car extraordinarily special. And that is, of course, right under the bonnet. Before we go there, let's take a look at the rear side. Looking at the car at the back, what else can we notice? Car comes with the NISMO taillights, LED taillights, discontinued by NISMO a long time ago, which is great. And of course, car comes with a NISMO NE1 Valdana exhaust as well. Sounds absolutely beautiful. Look at the car at the back. Looks immaculate. Rear brake, and of course the reverse lights have been refreshed by Yoshida-san look as well. Looks absolutely amazing. VSPEC diffuser restoration been done at Garage Yoshida, and it also looks absolutely amazing. With that being said, ladies and gents, let's jump in right to the heart of the car, which makes this thing extraordinarily special, and we get to find out what it is. And ladies and gents, voila. First things first, as we open this engine room compartment, you have to appreciate how awesome and knew this thing looks. When we got the car restorations done at Garage Yoshida offers this complete engine room refreshment, and once you get that done, the car looks absolutely immaculate. And as I said, although this car being very rare and special, of course, after Garage Yoshida done, what makes it extraordinary, extra special is, of course, comes with the R1 engine, and this is one of its kind Midnight Purple 3 in the world that comes with the R-TUNE or R1 engine. Looks beautiful. How awesome this thing looks, right? Interior has been refreshed to its original color of the car. As you can see at the VIN number, the car is of course factory LXO or Midnight Purple 3 color, which is very important as well. And engine room of the compartment looks extraordinarily special and beautiful. She is R1, but comes with the special NISMO restoration chassis refreshment dump plate on it, together with the engine, and the performance of this car is extraordinarily special too. Look at all the rubbers, guys. Look at the water bottle, radiator tank. Everything has been restored. Of course, comes with the NISMO radiator as well, which is in complementary with the NISMO intercooler. Special because this is R-TUNE, comes with the R-TUNE duct. Great. And although we love here at Garage Defend NISMO carbon, the air intel pipings, this one in R-TUNE cars particularly comes with special aluminum pipings just like this. Looks beautiful. Car comes with the all-in suspensions, and of course the NISMO tower bar, which is mwah, she looks fantastic. And with all this said and done, let's shut the bonnet and get the car ready to be driven to our Nagoya Portside yard. And in this video together with you, we get to load her up inside 20-foot container before she is off to United Kingdom to our friends at Harlow Jap Autos. But before we do that, guys, once again, let me stress this. One of the only 132 units made, GTR 34 in Midnight Purple 3 color. Looks fantastic, has been restored by Garage Yoshida, and she is R-TUNE, comes with the R1 engine, which is absolutely one of its kind that makes, what a great car. And this is gonna be a farewell video for us and for you as well, as she is last day today in Japan to be driven on the Japanese road before she is delivered to our great fans at Harlow Jap Autos. With that being said, ladies and gents, let's fire up the car and be on our way to Nagoya Port together with you. And this video is also special because we haven't done a container loading video for the past probably 7-8 years now. So I'm super excited. Guys, let's do this. I'm the guy who hates the traffic lights, guys, and traffics as well. But using this opportunity, let me tell you a little bit about the projects that we've been doing at a lot of different shops. As you guys follow us, you see us building a lot of cars in collaboration with different shops. And lately, of course, we've been working with NISMO, with Mines, with Midori, and at any given time, believe it or not, we have about 3 to 4 GTR 34s. Being restored at Garage Yoshida. So call it purple, call it red, blue, white, yellow. All colors of those GTR 34s we've been working with Garage Yoshida in different levels of restoration projects. And of course, if you're someone looking for a very special car, want to work with special shops getting those cars restored, you're welcome to reach out to us. We would be happy to make that happen, although it takes time with the planning and execution and everything. But with that being said, ladies and gents, this midnight purple 3 R1 load up inside a 20-foot container. Let's do this. Guys, with the Midnight Purple 2 loaded up inside 20-foot container, she's headed to Southampton Port in United Kingdom right now. And with this, in this video, we'd like to also show you another car we are just about to ship out to the United States of America. And this one belongs to our great friend Blake. Blake is from the United States, and he recently purchased this Baysideblue GT-R34 VSPEC. And right after loading up the Midnight Purple one, you're lucky in this video, we get to show you the loading of this Baysideblue GT-R34 VSPEC as well. For that, the procedure is very much exactly the same, just like you saw in the video for the Midnight Purple. What we do is first things first, we drive through the car inside a 20-foot container. Right after that, the professionals are going to tie it up from 4 sides. And after that, boom, you will lock up the car and get the car delivered to the Nagoya port, which is about 10 minutes drive from here on a pickup truck. And with that, the car is going to be headed on its way to its destination, wherever the car is being shipped. And Blake, my friend, this is your Baysideblue GT-R34 VSPEC on her way to the United States of America. And this is going to be a quick farewell video for you as well. Now, let's watch how they tie up the car inside this container before she's going to be sealed off. And guys, talking about the containers, there are 2 different containers, you guys understand. One is 20-foot container, and the other one is 40-foot container in the case of that one. Actually, in a 20-foot container, you can load 1 to 2 cars. And if it's 1, if it's just like that. And if it's 2, you have to put the cars on top of each other. But with us at Garage Defend, we never load 2 cars in a 20-foot container, only 1 car. And if it's gonna be a 40-foot container just like this, actually those professionals can load it up to 4 cars. And it's gonna be loaded just like this. For the matter of this video, I want to point out this container does not belong to us. But again, when the car is loaded, 4 cars loaded, it's going to be just like that on top of each other. It involves a lot of ropes. It gets a little bit dangerous. That's the reason why we never load 4 cars in a 40-foot container, but just simply park 2 cars right next to each other. Check it out, boys. And of course, when the ropes and when this is tied up, we have a protectors for the wheels out there, as you guys can see that. This is just in case that we don't damage the wheels. And of course, once the car is loaded, tied up just like that, what we do is we leave the keys inside the container, and with that, the truck driver drives the car a little bit further, just like you saw in the purple one's video, and from there, we shut the container and seal it off, and it's gonna be on its way to whichever part of the world that we are getting the container shipped to. And whoever you are, when you're receiving this container, good thing about it is that you are going to be the one who's going to break the seal open up the container yourself before receiving your GTR 34 just like this. Guys, this was a quick shout out for the Midnight Purple 2 GTR 34 VSPEC being shipped to our great friends at Harlow Jap Autos United Kingdom. And in that video, we also included this Baysideblue as well, because on this particular day, we're shipping a number of GTR 34s to different parts of the world. With that, guys, it's been Dustan with you here at Garage Yoshida. Thank you so much for following us, watching our videos. We have a lot more interesting videos coming up on a lot more cars being built and shipped throughout the globe from here from Japan. And we look forward to see you guys in the next videos to come as well. Cheers, and see you guys again in the next videos. Bye.